Today we have a very exciting subject to discuss: landscape photography on a cloudy day. I'm thrilled to take you on this adventure, so let's dive straight in. Cloudy days can provide unique opportunities for landscape photographers. Whilst we often associate sunny days with vivid colours and dramatic lighting, cloudy days offer their own charm and atmosphere. So let's explore some tips and techniques to capture stunning landscape photos on these overcast days. Tip number 1, embrace the moody atmosphere. Cloudy days create soft and diffused light, which can add a sense of mystery and drama to your image. Look for subjects and scenes which fit this mood. Whether it's a rugged coastline, a misty forest, or a serene lake, the cloud cover can enhance the mood in your image. Tip number 2, enhance colors and textures. Clouds act like giant diffusers, spreading light evenly across your scene. This even lighting can bring out subtle colors and textures within your landscape. Pay attention to details, such as vibrant green moss on a rock, or the intricate patterns in the bark of a tree. These details can make your photos visually captivating even on cloudy days. Tip number 3, incorporate leading lines. Cloudy days are perfect for emphasizing leading lines within your composition. Whether it's a curving road, a winding river, or a path through a field, these lines can guide your viewer's eye and create a sense of depth within your image. Tip number 4, experiment with long exposures. Cloudy days often provide ideal conditions for long exposure photography. Set up your tripod and use a slow shutter speed to capture the movement of water or clouds. This technique can create a dreamy effect, adding a touch of magic to your photos. Tip number 5, look for contrast. Whilst cloudy days offer soft and diffused light, they can also offer moments of contrast. Keep an eye out for breaks in the cloud that allow the sunlight to peek through. These pockets of light can create dramatic highlights and shadows, adding perspective and visual interest to your photos. Tip number 6, use filters to enhance your scene. On cloudy days, filters can be your best friend. A polarizing filter, for example, can help to reduce glare and enhance the colors within your image. And there you have it, my top tips and tricks for capturing stunning landscape photos on a cloudy day. Remember, it's all about embracing that unique mood and atmosphere that these cloudy days provide. Thanks for joining me on this cloudy day photography adventure. I hope that you found these tips helpful and now feel inspired to grab your camera and go out and take some photos no matter what the weather is. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tips and tricks to improve your landscape photography. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.